This was a great parade, but it's because all of you were with me and you could feel the energy and the songs. I just appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. We have